Imagine offering rich cafe-style cold brew or iced latte in just seconds, without a fancy machine or barista skills. Sounds cool, right? That's exactly what coffee concentrates do, and the demand for them in India is brewing hotter than ever. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or an aspiring entrepreneur, this video will walk you through how to build your own coffee concentrate business in India, from scratch. And no, you don't need to be a cafe owner or a food tech graduate to get started. We're going to break this down into actionable steps to help you turn this idea into a profitable business. In this video, we'll cover who your ideal customers are, market trends and demand analysis, branding, marketing, and sales strategy, cost estimates and budgeting, funding and investment options, legal requirements and documentation, and finally, how our team at Market Research Universe can help you take off. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Let's start with your customers. Coffee concentrates appeal to urban millennials and Gen Z who want cafe-style drinks at home, health-conscious people looking for sugar-free or organic coffee, working professionals and students who are always on the go, and cafes, hotels, and co-working spaces using bulk concentrates for consistency. You're not just selling coffee, you're selling convenience, quality, and a lifestyle. Now, is there really a market for this? Oh yes, India's coffee market is growing at over 8% CAGR, and the cold brew and ready-to-drink segment is exploding. Brands like Sleepy Owl, Country Bean, and Rage Coffee have already tapped into this space. But there's room for innovation. Flavored variants, eco-friendly packaging, or B2B supply to hotels and restaurants are still underserved. And thanks to e-commerce and food delivery apps, you can reach customers across Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities faster than ever. Your marketing needs to make people crave your coffee, even before they taste it. Start with a strong brand identity. Use keywords like 100% Arabica. Use keywords like no preservatives. Use keywords like cold brew in seconds. For sales, build your own D2C website. List on Amazon or Flipkart. Offer small sampler packs. Don't forget B2B. Cafes and restaurants are your best recurring customers. For marketing, think Instagram Reels. For marketing, think influencer collabs. For marketing, think recipe videos. For marketing, think engaging newsletters. Make your brand part of their morning routine. Let's talk money. A small-scale coffee concentrate setup can be started with 8 to 13 lakhs. Here's how the costs break up. 2 to 4 lakh for brewing and bottling equipment. 1 to 1.5 lakh per month for ingredients and packaging. 1 to 2 lakh for branding and website. 2 to 3 lakh for the first marketing push. Don't forget licensing, testing, and a buffer for unexpected costs. Worried about funding? You've got options. Start lean with personal savings or help from friends and family. Apply for MSME or Startup India loans like Mudra. Once you gain traction, approach angel investors or food and beverage-focused VCs. And if you're targeting niche premium consumers, crowdfunding could also work. Now let's get legit. You'll need to register your business and get key licenses. Register as LLP or private limited with the MCA. Apply for an FSSAI license. This is a must for food and beverage. Get GST registration, a trade license, and maybe even a factory license. Register your brand name and logo as a trademark. You'll also need a business PAN, address proof, and maybe shelf life test reports if you're going retail. Feeling inspired, but still a bit overwhelmed? That's where Market Research Universe comes in. We offer Detailed market feasibility reports, target consumer behavior analysis, competitor benchmarking, go-to-market strategy, financial modeling, and investor pitch support. Whether you're still validating your idea or ready to scale, we're here to help you every step of the way. Coffee concentrate is more than just a beverage. It's a booming business model. Start lean, grow smart, and brew success your way. Thanks for watching.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.